Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some essential YouTube tips and tricks that can help you grow your channel and reach a wider audience. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your existing channel to the next level, this video is packed with valuable insights that can make a real difference. We'll cover everything from optimizing your video titles and descriptions to understanding the importance of engaging thumbnails and effective call to actions. But that's not all. We'll also explore the significance of consistency in your posting schedule and how to leverage social media to drive traffic to your videos. Our goal is to equip you with practical strategies that you can implement right away. So, if you're eager to learn how to boost your channel's visibility and engagement, you're in the right place. Get ready to take notes and discover the secrets behind successful YouTube channels. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of actionable tips that can help you on your journey to YouTube success. Let's get started. Understanding your audience. Knowing your target audience is crucial for effective content creation on YouTube. By identifying the demographics and interests of your viewers, you can create videos that resonate with them on a deeper level. Are your viewers primarily teenagers interested in gaming, or are they adults looking for lifestyle tips? Understanding these details helps you tailor your content to meet their specific preferences. Utilizing analytics tools is a game changer in this process. YouTube provides valuable insights into who is watching your videos, including age, gender, location, and viewing habits. By analyzing this data, you can uncover trends and patterns that inform your content strategy. For instance, if you notice that a significant portion of your audience enjoys DIY projects, you might consider creating more videos in that niche. Ultimately, the key to successful content creation lies in aligning your videos with the needs and interests of your audience. When you create content that speaks directly to them, you not only enhance viewer engagement but also foster a loyal community. So, take the time to understand your audience and watch your channel thrive as you deliver what they truly want to see. Creating engaging content. Producing captivating and high-quality videos is essential for keeping your audience engaged and coming back for more. One of the most effective techniques is storytelling. By weaving a narrative into your videos, you create an emotional connection with your viewers, making them more likely to stay tuned until the end. Whether it's sharing personal experiences or crafting a fictional tale, a good story can transform ordinary content into something memorable. In addition to storytelling, utilizing high-quality visuals and sound can elevate your videos to a professional level. Invest in a decent camera and microphone to ensure that your visuals are sharp and your audio is clear. Good lighting can also make a significant difference, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your content. Remember, viewers are more likely to engage with videos that look and sound great. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of viewer feedback. Encourage your audience to share their thoughts and suggestions in the comments. This not only helps you understand what they enjoy but also fosters a sense of community. By incorporating their feedback into your future content, you can continuously improve and create videos that resonate with your audience. Engaging content is a journey, and your viewers are your best guides. Optimizing video titles and descriptions. When it comes to maximizing your videos' reach on YouTube, optimizing your titles and descriptions is key for effective SEO. Start by including relevant keywords in your titles. Think about what your target audience might search for and incorporate those terms naturally. A well-crafted title not only grabs attention but also improves your video's search visibility, making it easier for potential viewers to find your content. Next, focus on writing clear and concise descriptions that summarize your video. Aim for a few sentences that highlight the main points and provide context. This not only helps viewers understand what to expect but also gives YouTube's algorithm more information to categorize your video correctly. Including keywords in your description can further enhance your SEO efforts, so be sure to sprinkle them in where appropriate. Lastly, use tags strategically to boost your video's discoverability. Tags help YouTube understand the content of your video and can connect it to similar videos. Include a mix of broad and specific tags to cover various search queries. By optimizing your titles, descriptions, and tags, you set the stage for greater visibility and engagement, ultimately driving more traffic to your channel. Promoting your videos. Promoting your videos effectively is essential for increasing views and growing your channel. One of the most impactful methods is to share your videos across various social media platforms. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, each platform offers a unique opportunity to reach a wider audience. Create eye-catching posts or stories that highlight your video's key points, and encourage your followers to check it out. Another powerful strategy is to collaborate with other YouTubers. By partnering with creators in your niche, you can tap into their audience and introduce your content to new viewers. Collaborations can take many forms, such as guest appearances, joint challenges, or shout-outs. This not only helps you gain exposure but also fosters a sense of community among creators. Lastly, engaging with your audience through comments and discussions is crucial for building loyalty. Respond to comments on your videos, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to share their thoughts. This interaction creates a sense of belonging and makes viewers more likely to return for future content. By combining these promotional methods, you can significantly increase your video views and cultivate a dedicated audience for your channel. Consistency is key. Establishing a consistent upload schedule is vital for building and maintaining an engaged audience on YouTube. When viewers know when to expect new content, they are more likely to return to your channel regularly. A predictable posting schedule creates anticipation and helps foster a loyal community around your content. Whether you choose to upload weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, sticking to that schedule is essential. Communicating your upload schedule to your audience is equally important. Use your channel banner, video descriptions, and social media platforms to inform viewers about when they can expect new videos. This transparency not only keeps your audience informed but also encourages them to mark their calendars and engage with your content as soon as it's released. Lastly, it's crucial to stay committed to producing content, even when growth feels slow. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, and there will be periods of stagnation. However, consistency in your uploads demonstrates dedication and can lead to long-term growth. By remaining focused on your content and maintaining your schedule, you'll gradually attract more viewers and cultivate a thriving community that appreciates your efforts. Remember, consistency truly is the key to success on YouTube. Analyzing performance metrics. Using YouTube Analytics is essential for tracking your channel's growth and understanding what works best for your audience. Start by monitoring key metrics such as watch time, views, and subscriber growth. These figures provide valuable insights into how your content is performing and how engaged your viewers are. For instance, a high watch time indicates that your audience finds your videos interesting and worth watching, while subscriber growth reflects your ability to attract and retain viewers. Next, identify which videos perform best and analyze why they resonate with your audience. Look for patterns in topics, formats, or styles that lead to higher engagement. Are your tutorial videos more popular than vlogs? Do certain thumbnails or titles attract more clicks? Understanding these trends can help you replicate success in future content. Finally, use the data insights from your analytics to adjust your strategy. If you notice that certain types of videos consistently underperform, consider revising your approach or experimenting with new ideas. By being data-driven in your content creation, you can continuously improve and tailor your videos to better meet the preferences of your audience, ultimately driving more growth for your channel. In this video, we've explored essential strategies for growing your YouTube channel effectively. We discussed the importance of understanding your audience, optimizing your video titles and descriptions for SEO, and creating engaging content that resonates with viewers. We also highlighted the significance of maintaining a consistent upload schedule and utilizing YouTube Analytics to track your performance and refine your strategy. Now that you have these valuable insights, it's time to take action. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks on YouTube success. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow creators who might benefit from these strategies. Additionally, we invite you to explore related content on our channel or visit our website for more in-depth resources. Whether you're looking for advanced techniques or beginner-friendly advice, we have plenty of material to help you on your journey. Remember, growing a YouTube channel takes time and dedication, but with the right strategies in place, you can achieve your goals. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.